Join me as I challenge myself to explore every corner of Liverpool and uncover its hidden gems in just one day. In this video, you'll embark on a vibrant journey through Liverpool, exploring its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively streets. Despite its significance, many people only know Liverpool for its music scene, missing out on its diverse attractions and heritage. When you think of Liverpool, the Beatles are probably the first thing that come to mind, and rightfully so. The city is steeped in musical history, and it's impossible to walk through the streets without feeling the rhythm of the Fab Four. But there's so much more to Liverpool than just its music. From its captivating waterfront to its vibrant cultural scene, this city has a lot to offer. One of the most common misconceptions about Liverpool is that it's all about the past, but the reality is that it's a city that's constantly evolving and changing. You'll find stunning modern architecture, world-class museums, and a thriving food scene that'll keep you coming back for more. But it's not all about the big attractions. Liverpool is also a city of hidden gems, from quirky independent shops to secret gardens and hidden alleyways. Whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture, or just looking for a unique travel experience, Liverpool has something for everyone. You'll delve into various neighborhoods, highlighting iconic landmarks like the Royal Albert Dock, the Beatles Story, and hidden gems that showcase local life. In the Georgian Quarter, you'll find stunning architecture, beautiful parks, and a charming atmosphere that's perfect for a leisurely stroll. The Albert Dock is another must-visit, with its stunning waterfront location and world-class museums like the Tate Liverpool and the Merseyside Maritime Museum. And of course, no visit to Liverpool would be complete without a trip to the Beatles Story, where you can learn all about the history of the Fab Four, and even take a trip on the Magical Mystery Tour. As you explore the city, you'll discover that Liverpool is a place where history meets modernity, where traditional pubs sit alongside trendy bars and restaurants, and where the locals are always up for a chat. You'll find street art and independent shops in the trendy Baltic Triangle, and a thriving food scene that serves up everything from traditional Scouse cuisine to international flavors from around the world. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a romantic dinner, Liverpool has got you covered. The journey reaches its peak as you visit the lively Baltic Triangle, where art, music, and creativity converge, illustrating Liverpool's dynamic spirit. This former industrial area is now a hotbed of creativity, with street art, independent shops, and trendy bars and restaurants. It's the perfect place to experience the city's vibrant energy and meet some of the locals who are driving the city's cultural scene. From live music events to art exhibitions, there's always something going on in the Baltic Triangle, so be sure to check out what's on during your visit. Whether you're an art lover, a music fan, or just someone who loves to soak up the atmosphere, the Baltic Triangle is a must-visit destination in Liverpool. With its lively atmosphere and creative vibe, it's the perfect place to end your journey through this amazing city. In summary, Liverpool is a city full of surprises, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and modern vibrancy that deserves to be explored. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to discover in this amazing city. So why not start planning your trip now and see what Liverpool has in store for you? If you enjoyed this journey through Liverpool, don't forget to like, comment your favorite spot, and subscribe for more travel adventures.